Not going anywhere.
No, it's not.
Especially not yet. Hey guys, it's Jeff Allen and Eric Abels from Flat 12 Gallery. We decided to give you a little progress update report on the 67 Camaro that we're building for the Ronald McDonald House Charities, Central Valley. As you can tell, we're missing something really important. The body's still off of paint, but hey, while it's gone, everything else has showed up. We've got all of our Hotchkiss suspension, our monster bare brakes, and all the killer parts from Classic Industries. Tell you what, this is going to be one bitchin' ride, and you can check out the debut at the Classic Auto Show March 2nd at the LA Convention Center. We better get busy.
All right.
We got less than 14 days to put a car together, the entire car. Better hold on to your hat, get your seatbelt. It's going to be a bumpy ride. Here we go, lean in that corner. Okay, one more over here.